Bombard star of a GP prison level. For yourself now, GP prison a nice life. Bombard star. What is a prison a nice life? And the man a cut off here. Hold it. Hold on dog, you know if you cut off my hair, you know, come my hair take off like so. My hair will bite you too. Oh.
Hold it, me I want bad man in here, you know. So, I want you to listen to everything what me have to say. Everything what me tell you to do, make sure you do it. Cause me don't want you to break no rule in here, you know. Because I may have one done in here. Oh, so I have to use all this officer to set an example. For anyone I know I get trouble in here. All you look for me, you know. Me thump in your face, you know. And beat up you, you know. To make everybody in here know say I'm a boss in here, you know. And make sure so when you go in the quarters, you know, when you're keeping it clean in here. Oh, I like when you're keeping it clean.
Yes, boss, you have to keep it clean in the boss. Because we don't have no problem in the boss. Because my man love my food. And I mean, when it come to my food, a problem in the boss. So I have to make sure so we keep it clean in here. Boss, you like how we keeping it clean in here?
Oi, do your work. Make sure so you keep it clean in here, you know.
Yo, make sure say you do your work, you know. Because I know when the boss coming in, you know, and say we lazy, you know. Because you always have BB to place like you think you jump. Oh, black, no say nothing to me. Alright, if I make your boss come in and say we lazy, you know. You, lazy. Same thing, me tell you say. If you do your work, you know, say make your man know say you're lazy already. Don't allow me alone. Me tell you say you chat to